All right, let's take a look at the in-class worksheet. Across the top here, I've got the numerical equivalent of all the alphabet, and to write a cryptogram for the message using matrix A. Here is my string of letters, C-A-L-L, and so forth. Again, I could write this as a 4 by 3 matrix and multiply it against A on my calculator, and I would come up with this string. So let's just take a look at the first one, how that would look. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 times 3 is 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. So 6 minus 12 would give me negative 6. For the second one here, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 times 7 is now 13. 13 plus 4 times negative 4 is negative 48. So 13 minus 48 would give me negative 35. And we could do the rest if we really wanted to. For happy birthday, here I took the string and wrote out its numerical equivalents. Again, could do this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3 matrix, multiply it against A, and I would come up with this string. All right, for number 11, it says use A inverse to decode the message. So here's the message. Here's A. I'm going to use my calculator to quickly find the inverse of it. Or I could just type in A and then multiply this against the A inverse, either way. But I could write this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 2 matrix, multiply it against A inverse, and I would come up with this string, which turns out to say Happy New Year. Let's just take a look at it, one line here. So 11 times negative 5 would be negative 55. Plus 21 times 3 is 63. So negative 55 plus 63 would be a positive 8. The second one here, 11 times 2 is 22, plus 21 times negative 1 is 22 minus 21 is 1. And we could do the rest of the string like that. But again, the easier way, use your calculator. Finally, number 12 here. It's a 3 by 3 matrix, so I'm going to have to group this by 3s. And I could have written this as a 6 by 3 matrix, multiply it against A inverse. This is what A inverse would look like. And this is the string that would come out. Class is canceled. Not really, but that's what the message says. Let's just take a look at one example here. So here I've got 9 times negative 2 is negative 18, plus negative 1 times negative 3. So 18, negative 18 plus 3 is negative 15. And then negative 9 plus times negative 2 is positive 18. So I've got 15, negative 15 plus 18 gives me a positive 3. And I can do the rest of the string if I wanted to, the hard way like that, or could use my calculator to figure it out. So that's all we are going to do for today. Let me stop this.